Hello, crafters. Welcome to another episode of Craft Hits. And on today's episode, we are going to be making a turkey with my wood burning tool. And I do hope you guys enjoy the rest of the episode. And if you do, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button. All right, so it's been a couple of days, and our turkey is done here, and I think this is a pretty fun project. I think this worked out really well. Didn't even take all that long, maybe about 30 minutes, so it's a pretty easy project. Anyone could probably do something like this. It does take a little bit of skill to get up to speed on kind of using wood burning tools, but overall, pretty easy project, and I hope you guys have enjoyed it. And if you have, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button and subscribe. Maybe consider subscribing. It really does help out with the algorithm, and I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers, and maybe someday I do have a plan for something special that I want to do when I hit 1,000 subscribers. But I do hope that you guys have enjoyed this, and also feel free to let me know in the comments what are the things you'd like to see me make. I'm going to try my best to make everything that I can. And if you also want to start your own projects, feel free to do so. I have everything that I use in the link in the description below, so you guys can also check that out as well. But as always, I hope you all have a wonderful day.